Welcome children. Today I am going to discuss one problem related to interface. You know what is the interface? Interface is used to declare the method. Okay, or use the interface we can implement the multiple inheritance which is not supporting by Java, but using interface we can implement the multiple inheritance in Java. Okay, suppose here is interface A. Okay, and you know that in interface we only declare the method, and that method is by default public and abstract. So suppose here I am writing a function void show. Show is the function which we declare within interface. Here I am close this interface. Okay, next I am having a class C. Suppose I am having a class C. So what is the work of C? C is a class, so this class is responsible to implement define this function. Show function we have to define within the class of C. First of all, class C implements, we are using the keyword implements class interface A. Okay, because A is the interface, so here we are using the implements keyword. After this, in this we define public show, public void show this function, in this SOPLN statement, and print hello. Okay, in this function we display hello. We having one more function within this class, public void display. Okay, display method. In this method we have to print here SOPLN Java. Close this method. And now if we want to create the object, obviously we create the object of the C class. Okay, because interface cannot create the object. Okay, interface is not used to create any type of object. So but here is a situation, we want to display the method of interface only. Okay, display the method of interface only means we have to print the show method only. We have to restrict that method, means display method we don't want to show, we don't want to display the method. Okay, we not execute this method. So what we do, when we declare the class, means when we declare or create the object of C class, so it is possibility to display the show function and as well as display function. Okay, because these two functions are related to C class. But here we want to display only, we want to print only show function which is declared within the interface. So here we cannot create the object of A. Okay, but we can pass the reference. We can pass the reference. How we can pass? A is the interface, so A, then object name obj, then we cannot create the object of A, means we cannot write here new A. Okay, it's not possible because A is the interface, but we can provide the memory of B. Okay, means we reference the A providing the memory of B. B is a class, so it can be provide the memory for interface. Okay, so after this we can call the method. How we can call the method? Obj dot show method. Okay, So show method is uh, related to interface A, so we can call this method. But if obj dot display, but if we want to display or print display method, call display method, it is not possible. It is not possible because this method is not connected with interface interface. Okay, this method is not connected with a interface, so we restricted that method, display method, to not be printed. Only show method is printed. How we can print this type of method? By passing the reference of, by passing the reference, not creating the object directly, because we cannot create the object. Okay, so it's a interface provide the security. If we want to print only the method of interface, so we can print like this. Okay, so we cannot use this method which are declared within the C class. Oh sorry, here we have to take C because our class is C, not B. Okay, here we take the variable or variable class name as a C because here class name is C. So we cannot display the method of C class. Clear?